Here I have ALCATEL U3, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the accounts section, tap add account, then you have to select Google. Of course you'll need internet connection to add Google account. Okay, maybe let's try one more time. Add account, Google. Oh. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy, and at last what you'll have to do is to tap wow, unbelievable. Let's try to do it one more time. I guess it will work. Oh. Then you have to tap accept here. And as you can see, account is added, finally. If you want to remove this account, just select it here. Then tap here. And then tap remove account. And after that, account will be removed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.